जिस तरह इस क्वेश्चन के 2 पार्ट्स हैं, ए एंड बी, इसी तरह इस वीडियो के भी ए एंड बी पार्ट हैं, जिसमें कंप्लीट आपको आंसर मिलेगा। लड़कियां आए देखते हैं। So question 3 is marriage planning an experiment to find out whether boys or girls in a school doodle more. A part is describe how Mary could conduct an experiment, that is for 10 marks. B part is identify one possible weakness or limitation with the procedure you have described in your answer to part A. Also suggest how your study might be done differently to overcome the problem, that is for 4 marks. So this is how we are going to answer the question for 10 marks. First of all हम aim लिखेंगे। aim हमारा होगा to investigate whether boys or girls in Mary's school doodle more. So the hypothesis will be one-tailed hypothesis, girls will doodle more than boys during a lesson, and our alternative hypothesis will be boys will doodle more than girls. Variables are very important in the experiment. So the independent variable will be हमारा IV जो है वो gender है, हमारे boys and girls है, and dependent variable DV will be amount of doodling measured by the number of doodles or the percentage of the page covered with doodles. So the participants are Mary could select 40 students with 20 boys and 20 girls from the same year group using random sampling, so each student has an equal chance of being selected. प्रोसीजर हमारा कुछ इस तरह से होगा। नंबर 1 जो है इसके 10 पॉइंट्स होंगे। नंबर 1 पॉइंट है ऑब्टेन परमिशन फ्रॉम द स्कूल एंड इन्फॉर्म्ड कंसेंट फ्रॉम पार्टिसिपेंट। नंबर 2 पॉइंट इज सीट ईच पार्टिसिपेंट इन क्वाइट क्लासरूम। नंबर 3 पॉइंट इज गिव ईच स्टूडेंट द सेम ब्लैंक शीट ऑफ पेपर एंड द सेम पेन. And number 4 will be read the same instructions to everyone. Number 5 is ask students to listen to a 15 minutes recorded lesson that is deliberately uninteresting to encourage natural doodling. Number 6 is tell participants they may write notes or doodle if they wish, but do not tell them the true aim to avoid demand characteristics. Number 7 is collect all papers immediately after the lesson. Number 8 is count the number of doodles or measure the area covered by doodles on each sheet. Calculate the mean number of doodles for girls and for boys. So the 10th point is compare the averages to determine which group doodled more.